So I'm going to show you guys how to make this single serving chicken salad. It's super good, and what I'm going to do is, instead of posting a big recipe like or a big batch of chicken salad, you can do that, but I figure if you got shredded chicken, let everyone make their own version of their favorite chicken salad. So it's like make your own pizza night, right? So you can add in the components that individually you're excited about. Someone wants Greek yogurt, they can do that. Somebody wants to use mayo, they can do that. If somebody wants to add nuts, whatever you want to do. So anyway, stay with me and I'll show you how to make it. Okay, so I've got some leftover shredded chicken here, and I got my gluten-free bread from Young Cobras, and I'm like, I want to make myself a chicken salad. So I'm going to make a single-size version of chicken salad. So I have shredded chicken, which I'm just going to like shred up a little bit more and put into this bowl. And then I think I've got green onions, because we're going to make those turkey burgers tonight. The green onion, or the sun-dried tomato ones. So I have some of the green onion, and so I'm just gonna put to use this shredded chicken instead of going out and buying chicken salad, which I saw at Good Earth today. I was like, ooh, that looks good. I'm like, I'm gonna make my own with what I have. So this is another fridge forage kind of leftover lunch, but I'm actually excited about it. So I just put in some shredded chicken. I'm gonna put in, I don't know, handful of mayo. This is the avocado from Primal. I never feel guilty using this because it's pretty clean. It's close to pretty much homemade. And okay, so I added that, and then I just mixed it around, and now I'm just gonna add to taste pepper and pink Himalayan sea salt. It's a little bit too much there. And then mix that around. And yeah, so I also cut up some, I have these pecans, so I kind of chopped those up just to add a little bit of crunch. Kind of similar, this is a little bit similar to, what do you call it? My salmon avocado boat. So I'm kind of just using some of the same ingredients. And then I saw some basil, and I'm like, ooh, basil would actually kind of be maybe tasty in this. Again, like, I think all of us should just experiment more with herbs and things that we have in the kitchen. And I should be using my my chef's knife for this, not a paring knife, but who cares? This is just for me. And so I'm gonna, get that basil chopped up, and then I'm gonna slice up this green onion, and I'm just gonna add all these components, and I will show you the finished product. Okay, so this is really good. I think I could maybe put some red onion into it to give it more spice, but it's good for a throw together chicken salad sandwich. I mean, sometimes you don't have to make a big batch of things. I think like roasted chicken goes a long way. We throw it in just everything. But if you just roast some chicken, then you can let others decide what they want to do with it. And doing this is easy for me. I'm like gonna do this more often with roasted chicken rather than just slapping it on some bread with a little bit of like lettuce and mayonnaise. I mean, might as well throw more components in it. So anyway, yeah, and I'll link to my roasted chicken breast recipe that we use weekly, if not bi-weekly. It gives you shredded chicken, and basically all you do is put it in the oven and just go about your business for like 45 minutes, pull it out, let it cool, shred it, and you've got shredded chicken for tacos, for salads, for even this.